With MK6 electronics, you have two options for standalone displays when using alternative driver controls like an ASL head array or a micro extremity control. In this tutorial, we will discuss the monochrome standalone display and the mini color display. The standalone display is a nearly 6-inch tall by 3.5-inch wide monochrome or black and white display with a large 3.5-inch corner-to-corner LCD screen. The MK6 standalone display and the mini color display plug into the MK6 connection block with the familiar 7-pin connectors. With a professional card, both displays can be used as programmers for changing system parameters. Also, both displays allow for up to 4 different alternative controls to be active on the chair, along with an attendant override control. First, let's look at our most popular display, the standalone monochrome display. The standalone display is the only Invacare driver control that will allow the consumer or attendant to see all 4 drives at once. All 4 drives can be seen in the standard view, shown here, or if visibility of all 4 drives isn't desired, the enhanced view will show only the active drive and all modes programmed in that drive. Moving clockwise across the top of the display on both the standard and enhanced view, it will show the system name at the top left, which is located in the calibrations menu. The standard program assigned to the highlighted or active drive at the top right, and along the right side of the screen there will be a vertical battery indicator. In the standard view, where all 4 drives are visible, the active drive will be highlighted and all of the program modes for that drive will follow underneath. It's important to note that there may be more modes programmed for a drive than appear on the display, and a black down arrow will indicate when more modes are available. In the enhanced view, the active drive is enlarged and all modes for that drive are located next to the battery indicator. The standalone display turns on with a simple toggle located underneath the screen, which is located next to 2 external ports. On the left, a mono port for a drive, actuator, or mode switch, such as a drive select switch, and on the right, a remote on-off port, where an egg switch could be used to instantly cycle power to the wheelchair. It is important to know that in order to maintain the small size of the mini color display, it does not have a remote on and off port, but it does have a mono port. One feature unique to Invacare displays is auditory feedback. With one simple programming change, the display uses audible indicators in short and long tones to give the consumer specific information about the status of the system. For example, to indicate when a driving mode is active, 2 short beeps will sound, like this. When drive level is advanced into drives 1 through 4, it is indicated by a series of short beeps plus 1 long beep. So, for drive 1, 1 short beep and 1 long beep. For drive 2, 2 short beeps and 1 long beep. This feature is ideal for consumers with impaired vision or for those who are unable to read the drives as displayed. To turn on auditory feedback, go to Calibrations and Audible Indicator. Choose either Standard, which uses a tone structure we discussed previously that can be accessed using your Pro card and the Help button, or, if using RIM, choose the option RIM, which includes all of the previously mentioned indicators, plus a continuous indicator for driving in reverse in RIM mode. Select your desired choice, and press Save, and save again to continue. At this time, the standalone display is only available with a monochrome LCD screen. If color is preferred or required by the consumer or attendant, our new mini color display is a great addition to the MK6 family. The mini color display brings virtually all of the benefits of the standalone display in a smaller package. A full 2 inches shorter and nearly an inch narrower with a 2 inches plus corner-to-corner color LCD screen, the mini color display is perfect for those instances where access to workspaces, desks, the home environment, and social interaction is of paramount importance. The mini color display better allows consumers access in those environments without sacrificing the benefits of Mark 6 electronics. The mini color display uses a membrane switch interface with a power, drive select, and mode button. A mono port on the bottom and an SD card slot on the top make the mini color display a robust display and a great supplement to the monochrome standalone display. The mini color display does not allow for scanning. However, if you're familiar with the MPJ Plus with color display and its use of color for functional purposes, the mini color display will be very familiar to you. To see more about the color display and its many features, please see the Mark 6 virtual tutorial titled MPJ Plus with color display. The Invacare Mark 6 displays, both standard with swing-away mounting hardware, are two super options offering unique characteristics that match functional need and personal preference. Thank you for watching.